Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the EdTech Explorer. My name is Romeo, and welcome to the EdTech Explorer. And today we will have another episode on Google AI tools for educators, and we will focus now on generate a quiz. Okay, so if you want to generate a quiz or an exam for your class, then this is a tool for you. So all you have to do is to make sure that you're on your Google Classroom, and under the Gemini section, click on that, and then you go to generate a quiz, and then you can have your target grade here, and you can also type your number of questions if you want to, and you can also describe the topic and the knowledge or skills you want students to demonstrate. And for example, here for target grade, let me put, for example, first year college. And for the number of questions, let's say, for example, I want to have 10 number of questions. And for the describe the topic and knowledge or skills you want students to demonstrate, I will type here something like about Adobe Photoshop. And after typing that, let me just generate learning objectives. The Gemini will give you suggested learning objectives. And in case you are agreeable to this, all you have to do is just to click on generate questions, or you can also modify or add some learning objectives or remove some learning objectives here in the suggested learning objectives. And then after that, you can choose types of questions here, okay? So you can choose multiple choice, true or false, short answer, or long answer. Okay, for this demonstration, I will be selecting all, and then after that, I will click generate questions. So left click on the generate questions. So this is the generated test questions by the Gemini, and from here, you can select the appropriate or the applicable test questions that you want to give to your students. Now, please take note. Again, this is just generated by AI tools. So that means it will generate questions based on what it knows, okay? So if the test questions are not applicable to your class, then all you have to do is just to either modify it or just ignore the provided questions. And then you can look for another question that is more appropriate or applicable to your students, okay? So make sure to double check everything before giving it to your students, and then once you're satisfied, you can always export the test questions and you can already utilize it, or you can choose here, okay? There are suggested steps here by the Gemini AI. So if you want to follow the suggested options here, you may click so and then just follow the instruction given by the Gemini. And of course, you can also modify with a prompt, okay? And once you're satisfied with the test questions, all you have to do is just to export and copy the test questions and give it to your students. Again, these questions are generated by AI. The questions that should be given to your students should be verified by you or by the teacher. And make sure that the test questions are appropriate to the learning objectives that you have given to your class. All right, so thank you very much. Hope this is helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe to the EdTech Explorer. Thank you very much.